Hi City Players, this is for those who couldn't join the K-Print held in Kintex, Ilsan, Korea during August 26th to 28th, 2021. We have prepared online expo instead. So before we start it, please let me give a quick introduction of our company. Cdflex is simply the biggest heat transfer vinyl manufacturer in Korea and produce the heat transfer vinyl from raw materials to finished goods. As an ecological manufacturer, we're vegan OK and Ocotex certified. Now, let's get started. So this is our booth. In order to show you around, let's take a walk a bit. Even with the COVID-19, lots of visitors have visited our booth. Let's take a look from the outside. The first zone I'm introducing is the design display part using cuttable vinyl. Only 4 HTV has been used for each design, which means it is possible for you to create fabulous design only with a few types of HTV. Depends on your purpose of design, you can choose the appropriate HTV type such as PU, glitter, flock, soft metallic, metallic, reflective, holographic, and etc. Right next to it is the design display part using printable vinyl. As you can see it is possible to print out your own design or picture on a printable vinyl with each type of printable vinyl's characteristics. Now, here's the part you might have been waiting for. Our new released vinyl and all-in-one printable vinyl. This all-in-one printable vinyl covers a wide range of ink types. As you see, you can verify its compatibility with 4 different ink types. This is our first new released item, Twinkle. Its sparkling surface displays a different types of sparkling appearance compared to glitter. And the second one, Silicon. Its stereoscopic appearance and texture are not the same as already existing vinyl. Also, you can choose the thickness of the silicone vinyl depends on your purpose. Lastly, soft metallic. Soft metallic has been improved with its thickness and flexibility. It became much thinner and more flexible than the original metallic. Now let me show you how you decorate the jerseys with HTV. Not only to the jerseys, but also there are so many fabrics you can apply HTV to. That's a lot, right? This is our DIY do-it-yourself zone. We prepared multiple designs that visitors can actually try out. Not only to the cotton, but also to the caps and soccer balls. We'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of you who visited our booth and all the love and support you've shown to us at the Expo. Our primary goal never changed. We'll continue striving to exceed your expectation, as always. Thank you for your time watching this video and hope you have a great day. HTV? Yes, it's Cdflex.